In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze or pause a video in CapCut PC. If you want to stop the action on a perfect moment to add a title, highlight an important detail, or create a more dramatic effect, CapCut makes this really simple. The nice thing about using a freeze frame is that it lets your audience focus on one specific image without the video continuing to move in the background. To get started, the first thing you need to do is find the exact moment you want to pause. On your timeline, drag the vertical playhead to the frame you want to freeze. Take your time here because the quality of the effect depends on choosing the right frame. If you want to be more precise, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame. This helps you lock onto the exact image you want, especially if the motion in your video is fast and you need a clean, sharp frame. Once you've found the perfect frame, it's time to create the freeze. Make sure your video clip is highlighted in the timeline, then look at the toolbar directly above the timeline and click the freeze icon. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Alt and F on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically cuts the clip at that point and inserts a still freeze frame exactly where the playhead was positioned. This is what creates that paused look, while keeping everything neatly placed in your edit. After that, you can control how long the pause moment stays on screen. By default, CapCut sets the freeze frame to 3 seconds, but you can easily change that. Just drag the edge handles of the frozen clip to make the pause shorter or longer, depending on the pacing you want. A shorter freeze can feel punchy and quick, while a longer freeze gives you more time for emphasis, storytelling, or on-screen graphics. If you want to make the freeze frame even more effective, go to the text drawer in the top left area and add a title over the frozen shot. You can also place graphic stickers on top if you want to draw attention to something specific in the frame. This works especially well for tutorials, reaction moments, or dramatic intros. And that's it. Once your freeze frame is in place and adjusted to the right length, your paused video effect is ready to go in CapCut PC.